Hello ladies, it's Stella here again, and this is the second video in our garden journal project. We've now bought the kit and we've begun to cut out all the different elements and look at the pages and print the pages off. The next step is to put the pages together. I've got 2 signatures out of what I've printed, and I have folded them up and put them together like this, and I'll show you how I did it. Let's put that one to one side. So this page is going to be the front of the second signature, I think. I have also made some tea dye papers into a sort of trifold, like so. Just found the middle of that page and folded the sides in to meet. And you can do different things with this. You can have it like that with a flap, and then you have a bigger piece with a flap at the back, or the other way round. Entirely up to you what you do, or do something different. And these are only ideas. I don't intend to tell you what to do. You can choose what you do yourself. This was one of the pages I had in my stash. I can't share with you the ones that I've already bought, because that wouldn't be fair to the people I bought them from. And also I can't, in all honesty, remember some of them where they came from. Some I can and some I can't. But I'm sure you've got something similar yourself. This page I could share with you because I made it myself with a cloth that Sharon gave me. So I printed it on back and front because I thought it was rather good to have the white space there to write on and still have the picture. It would have been better if I had some thicker paper in a more vintagey colour, but I didn't. And I do think it's good to use what you've got rather than always buying. That's the thing about a kit. Once you've got the kit, you more or less have to keep to it, keep to the colours, unless you're doing an eclectic journal. Otherwise it doesn't always match. But does that matter? No, not really. These are junk journals. You can do what you like. So that page stands out a bit. But if you're particular about it, you can always print it onto a more browny coloured paper. That looks rather nice, I think. Well, it's sweeping over here. And here we have a list, an entry. And as a gardener, and as we are into February, nearly March, my instinct would tell me to start writing in here the seed packets that I've bought and the plants that I intend to nurture through the spring season on that page. But we're not there yet quite, are we? That's that pretty page with all the circles on. And another page with a convenient list, empty list on it. And this is the paper that I had again in my stash. Easy to write on because it's pale. And here's one of the lovely pictures from the kit, and she's given us a space at the bottom, which I like. I like that. I don't like it when it's all picture, really, unless it's very pale, because then it becomes more of an album, doesn't it, rather than a journal. Journals are for writing in, really. That's the centre of this one, and I might change it as I go along. You can do as you wish. You could have vegetables and flowers, or you could have maintenance projects on one side and things to buy like flower pots, compost. I bought some compost this week 3 bags, and when it arrived, one of the bags had some sort of perforation in the top, and the compost was absolutely saturated. We've had so much rain, I could hardly lift it. In fact, I couldn't lift it at all. All the pictures go together nicely, don't they? So already we've got quite a bit of space and quite a few things to do, and we hardly even started. So that's the basis of that one. And then this one, of course, is going to be much the same. Maybe different pictures. I haven't yet put those together. I think I did 6 of these. 3 for each one. That one makes rather a nice centre fold, doesn't it? So let's keep that one out for a minute. And you can use other pages as well if you wish. You can have ledger paper in. That wouldn't be a bad idea, because then you can keep along with your costing. Because it's not cheap. It's nice if you've got friends that you can swap seeds and plants with, isn't it? So there are my 2 signatures in embryo. Here are some of the other pages that come with the kit. Got a page of tags. A page of fussy cuts. I'm going to really like cutting those out. That's half the fun of it, isn't it? Cutting and sticking. There's some journal cards. Very colourful. And some ephemera. And then, of course, you can make your own ephemera. So we've got the tags that we've been given, and I also looked through my tag bag, which I might show you one day, and I found some tags in there that I think I'm going to use in this journal, because I think they particularly go. Maybe you're going to recognise them when you see them. This one, a bird does not sing because it has an answer, it sings because it has a song. That's lovely. And that one, very lovely. And then this is a little project. And I think because they're similar, aren't they, to the kit? They're not the same, but they're similar, and I think they'll go very nicely in my journal. Is that coming out, or is it stuck in? I think it's stuck in. Things do get stuck in, don't they? So I'll leave it there for now. Lovely. Okay, so that's where I am today. Oh, one more thing. The die cuts. I've been looking through my die cuts, and I found these, all of which I think would be nice to use. I haven't looked through my stamps yet. But these I think will make nice additions. I hope you've got some die cuts. You can get die cuts, you can buy them, and if I have time I'll make some for my Etsy shop, but the postage is so expensive that I hardly think it's worth you buying them from me, even if I made them, because it just adds so much to the cost, doesn't it? Anyway, ladies in America, I'm sure you can make your own or get some cheaper than I could supply them. So those are what I've found so far. And I'll have to look through my stamps when I get time. So that's the second video. That's where I am at the moment. I hope you're doing something towards it and getting enthusiastic. And so I'll see you again in video 3. I'm aiming to do about 2 a week, hopefully, time permitting. So I'm not sure which days yet, but you'll be able to find them as I do them. I'll put them in the discussion feed, and then I will also put them in guides, and you can find them in there. So thank you for watching. Until the next time, bye bye for now.